Hey, hello everyone, thank you for clicking on the video, and in this I will be teaching you on how to make a disappearing and reappearing block on Roblox Studio. As you can see, it works very well and it's not laggy. Let's get started. It worked. If it worked, please like and subscribe, and if it did not, just let me know in the comments section below and I'll help you out.